Good morning, guys. I just woke up. I left my hair in braids last night because I wanted this. I wanted like a cool wavy vibe. This side just decided not to do that. This is how we're vibing today. Today is a Monday. Today I am starting a cut. What is the date? I don't even know what the date is. Let's go find out. We are starting a fat loss phase because at the end of March we have a bunch of photo shoots, content for Summer Slay and for the app coming. We're going to Costa Rica. Surprise, that's where we're going next. Right now it's February 17th, so I'm giving myself about 5 to 6 weeks to cut just a little bit. We have Seamus with us right now. He's arriving here at like 10 today. Before he gets here, we're gonna go work out. Today I'm training back, bis, and tris. Even though the majority of my diet has still been healthy, I've kind of gotten used to like grabbing snacks while I'm out and going out for dinner, ordering in. Like you just kind of like get into habits, even if you're just doing it for a week or something, or a weekend. So we need to kind of like retrain our bodies and our minds. But I'm honestly excited. Like I feel my best mentally and physically when I'm eating clean. My mood is so sensitive to bad food. Like if I eat bad food and drink alcohol, like I can see a noticeable effect on like my depression and my anxiety, just because I've gotten used to feeling really good all the time. When I don't feel so good, it's like very noticeable for me. I'm excited. I'm really excited to enter like a really healthy phase. Anyway, let's get started with our day. It's quite early right now and I had a big meal with friends last night, so I don't really feel like I need to eat before the gym. I'm just gonna go right away and then have a post-workout meal for my breakfast. So I'll have my greens when I get back, and right now I'm gonna go pour some pre-workout, have a bunch of meetings, and I'll show you some of my meals. And I wanna sit down at some point and give you guys some tricks on kind of like just getting back into healthy habits and getting out of unhealthy habits. Love you guys so much. Let's go work out. Okay guys, I have, so not my usual breakfast because we're out of oatmeal unfortunately, but I have 3 whole eggs, some pico de gallo, 2 slices of Ezekiel bread, my greens. I'm gonna have 2 capsules of hair, skin, and nails like I do every morning, and then I have black iced tea. This morning, Seamus and I are working on some label edits. We have a new hire called Julia who is awesome, and she basically puts together label options for us for new flavors, and then Seamus and I go through. Seamus and I are both like pretty picky with visuals. That's an understatement, but we go through many layers of editing just to make everything perfect. And you guys know we're really big on our content and visuals in general. So Greg's in the back grinding. What are you working on?
I am getting us barcodes for all these products.
That sounds crazy fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep going and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. And that'll be good for content too.
That's currently happening. James, what was the duplicate?
Yeah, no, I think that's awesome.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Congratulations on your engagement.
Thank you.
Coming through your most recent YouTube video.
Yes.
Your ring is stunning.
Thank you so much. Someone's here. You want to say hello to the vloggies? Look, baby, it's you. It's you. Hi, guys. So I have to talk quietly because Greg and Seamus are in another meeting. As you just saw, Seamus and I had another meeting where we were talking to the copywriter for the app. She is so awesome. Just to give you a little bit of background, for all of our writing across both brands, Mari Fitness and Bloom, I do all of our writing. A really important part of the app is that the writing throughout the entire app captures the voice of me, my brand, and speaks to you guys. So we managed to find someone, Jackie, who went through all my YouTube videos, Instagram posts. We had a phone call and she like really captured the brand and the strength of our followers, and it's just like the examples she showed us were empowering, and I'm just so obsessed with her. So, and now I'm gonna have some lunch. I wanted to show you what I'm having. I'm so excited for this lunch. I'm having a chicken breast with yellow rice and green beans. I'm gonna eat this up and then I'll check in with you guys with what I'm doing next. And yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. I just took Lulu out, the sun is shining. All of Brooklyn is in the park right now because it's so nice out, and I guess it's President's Day, which I literally didn't even realize because we never take holidays. So I'm in my office right now and I wanted to come chat with you really quick about some tips I have for just like getting back in the swing of things, dropping some old bad habits, introducing new healthy habits, or just kind of like finding your way back to health. The first thing I would say is focus on the benefits. For me, as I mentioned earlier, my main concern always is my mood and feeling my best, because when my mood is the best, I can give people more. I need to feed myself with the best ingredients in order to give the best version of me out into the world. So I do better at my job, I do better with friendships, I do better with communicating. And for me, that's when I'm having nutrient dense food, I'm drinking my water, avoiding alcohol, things like that. So I really try to focus on the benefits of clean eating and a healthy lifestyle. Also, exercise for me is just a huge mood booster. The next tip I have is just changing your perspective. A good example I like to give is, rather than thinking, oh, I have to go and work out right now, change that thought to, I get to go and work out right now, or I get to have this nutrient dense meal. Not everyone has that opportunity. Not everyone has a healthy body to exercise. Feel lucky that you get to go and do that. The other thing I like to do is try to get excited about healthy meals. In my head, I like to kind of like plan my favorite healthy meal of the week, like poke I'm obsessed with, and that's healthy. So I get really excited about poke. I get excited about having my matcha. I get excited about having my EAAs because those taste good to me. Just kind of changing that perspective and making things not so heavy and negative. The next tip I have is slow it down. And I think I say this in about every video, but it's truly just what I believe. I think so many people think that they have to change their entire lifestyle, go 0 to 100, and that just isn't how it works. Making fitness a part of your lifestyle rather than making fitness like your entire lifestyle is really the best and most sustainable way of doing it. There's no benefit to cutting your calories as low as possible and over exercising. All you're gonna do is teach yourself that you hate fitness, you hate health, and you're going to ruin your metabolism if we're talking science. Best thing to do is just slowly but surely start adding healthy habits into your day, put them where they make sense in your schedule, do things that you enjoy, eat things you enjoy. I'm just gonna be completely transparent right now. When I go on YouTube and Instagram and I see these girls doing detoxes and cleanses and 30 days of potatoes, or you know, whatever is out there, that makes me cringe, because we all know that's not gonna work, guys. They're just trying to get you to click on the video, and I feel like we just need people to be truthful. What actually works is figuring out a diet that you enjoy and you like, and slowly decreasing calories over time, doing an exercise that you like every day. It doesn't have to be that hard, and it doesn't have to be that extreme. So just keep that in mind. Don't believe everything you're seeing online. Oh, before I forget, if you are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I love making these videos and I love talking with you guys in the comments, so leave me a comment if you have any ideas for my next video. Okay guys, it's nighttime. I'm at the park surprising Lulu. Sometimes it takes a sec for her to see me. One sec. Hi, honey. Okay, guys, we're having some quick, healthy burritos that Greg made. I have a steak one. He has a turkey one. Anything to say?
We finished our first bottle of hot sauce in our new place. So we officially live here, right? Like, that means we've been here.
Ooh. All right, guys, I am so tired. I don't know why I'm so tired all of a sudden. I'm gonna eat this burrito and then we're gonna head to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.